Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market has been balancing within a range with responsive buyers active near yesterday's swing low of 23.75. Now, given yesterday's sell-off and long liquidation, our short-term bias is bearish and we are going to give more edge to the sell side and be more active on short setups, and we are going to exercise caution on long setups. Heading into the open, we have pre-market resistance at 34 to 36 and holding below that zone, and then breaking below 29.5 and 29.75 would serve as a confirmation that the sell side is in control, and from there we can retest the 22.5 to 24.5 initial support zone. That is support until broken, and responsive buyers can be active there. But if we're going down on continued broad market weakness and some decent and sustained downside momentum, then there would be potential to break the initial support zone and test the support areas below at 16 quarter to 18 quarter and potentially 10 quarter to 12 quarter, where responsive buyers can be active yet again. So after yesterday's breakdown, the overall expectation is for the market to balance at lower prices, and after the open we'll have to assess the situation in real time and see where that balancing could take place. So holding below 34 to 36 means we could go down to initial support and possibly even lower, and then balance at those lower prices. And in the event that we take out 34 to 36, sellers can still be active at 40.75 to 42.75, at 45.75, maybe even a little bit ahead of it, and at the 47 quarter to 49.75 zone. And then from there, the market can start balancing yet again, and a failure at the initial resistance zone or at the 45.75 or 47 quarter to 49.75 can result in a push back down towards 34 to 36, 29.5 to 29.75, and possibly even all the way back down into 22.5 to 24.5, and that's something that we will need to assess in real time. But given our short-term bearish bias, we are going to focus more on the short side, and anytime the market gets exhausted into a resistance zone would make for a good short setup on the day time frame today. And then on the long side, it's going to be safer to take long setups only when the S&P is exhausted into an area of support. And even then, we have to play a bit more defense, just because longs right now would be counter to the immediate short-term bias. So below initial support, we have that 16 quarter to 18 quarter. Buyers can be active there, but we have to exercise some caution at that zone. Below that, at 10 quarter to 12 quarter, there's a higher probability of responsive buyers being active. It's a stronger area of support. And then we have last month's low at 05 quarter and strong larger time frame support at 2400 quarter, 2402 quarter, but we don't necessarily have to test that area on the day time frame today. Buyers can defend the 10 quarter to 12 quarter area. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's see if the sell side can maintain the control that we saw from yesterday, and we'll take it from there.